So what you're looking at is a 67 RS SS Camaro. This is the correct factory original Bumblebee stencil on it. It's a SS 350 car. There's the SS hood louvers. It is a one-owner car. So my daddy was 19 in 1967. He bought the car. It has never been restored. He has kept it in great shape all these years. It has been repainted before. This paint job here was done back in 1993. And you can't barely even feel the pinstripes that are painted on it. Only thing they messed up on is they stopped the stripe mid-door. The stripe factory came all the way to the back. Looped up a little bit on the back fender, back quarter, but other than that, this is original seats, original console, original Fisher plates, original mileage. If you could see, it said 91,000. He did swap the stereo, the 8-track out for a different 8-track way back in the 70s. Original carpet. You can tell the carpet's getting kind of faded down there. Your 4-speed Muncie. Original console. He has redone the headliner. But original door panels. I mean, you can tell down the bottom down there. That one's got a little ash over it from the years. She's pretty. He did just put some new tires on it. We did just get new exhaust on the back, but other than that, this baby's a '67 RSSS 350. And of course, you got the beast over here just waiting its turn. Do plenty more videos on that one here soon. It's 454, 6-speed Tremec Magnum, fuel injected with the fast EFI. Yeah, it's gonna be about 500 horsepower.